Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for Lake County, Northwest Indiana, Porter County, Northwest Indiana, until 7:30 a.m. At 1:37 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated slow-moving thunderstorms with very heavy rainfall across the warned area. Rainfall rates in excess of 1 inch per hour are occurring across areas that received over 2 inches of rainfall on Thursday. Periods of heavy rainfall will continue across the area into the early morning before abating, with an additional 1 to 3 inches of rainfall expected. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Boone Grove, Burns Harbor, Cedar Lake, Chesterton, Crown Point, Dunsbridge, East Chicago, Gary, Griffith, Hammond, Hebron, Highland, Hobart, Lake Station, and Lakes of the Four Seasons. Other locations affected: Indiana Motor Speedway, Indiana Dunes State Park, Indiana University Northwest, Lake County Fairgrounds, Porter County Fairgrounds, Purdue University Calumet. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. If flash flooding is observed, act quickly. Do not enter the water. Turn around and move up to higher ground to escape flood waters. Do not stay in areas subject to flooding when water begins rising. Do not drive through areas where water covered.
81 Lockport. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. The station will broadcast severe weather alarm tone for good.
An alert like this in the middle of the night and the power's out. I'll keep you guys updated.